I'm gonna eat this apple. This apple?
Hey, Megan.
Is it on you?
Yeah. Oh! I don't like this.
Ah!
Oh! Freaking Jersey Shore's on in 5 minutes.
Jersey Shore. Got to stop playing Call of Duty. Oh, it's already on there.
I'm with it.
Just gonna eat this apple.
Oh, Britney Spears.
Britney Spears is a babe. Such a MILF.
I would do her.
I wouldn't, but...
Huh?
I wouldn't. She's not my female crush.
She's not my female.
Rachel McAdams is my female crush.
My female crush would probably be Jennifer Aniston.
Do you want me to tell you your future?
Yeah.
No thanks. I choose my own destiny.
That's so stupid. Like, Britney Spears is a babe. That is a stupid commercial. So stupid.
Fragrance from Britney Spears.
Eat an apple. I don't believe in applesauce. I think applesauce is stupid.
Oh, yeah, world premiere Britney Spears.
Right now?
Yeah.
Nobody's seen this before?
Brand new. Here, Megan. I think it's for you.
Can't, I'm eating an apple right now.
I'm gonna be like Britney, except I'm not as sexy as she is. She's like, she's pretty sexy. Oh, Optimus. Woo.
Scared him. I like how my dad's been feeding them to my turtle and I didn't even notice. That's how many fish I have.
Because you don't care about those fish.
Yeah, I do.
Would you against me?
She looks good in red.
Yeah, she does. Do you remember that video? What was her video? That it was like she's in that fully like red suit or whatever.
Oh, oops, I did it again.
Yeah, I was so obsessed with that song.
I was too. I used to change the words to oops, I farted again.
Dude, she looks good for having kids.
It's called Botox.
You don't put Botox in your stomach.
It's called something where you take the fat out. What is it? This is suck the fat out?
Liposuction.
Liposuction.
I don't think so. Although she's wearing stuff to like, it's all the way up here and stuff. Like,
It's probably because she probably had a C-section.
no, if she had a C-section, she would have had scars.
They do it right here.
Yeah, she would have a scar.
Yeah, and you said that her pants are all the way up here.
Because they are.
So maybe she had a C-section.
Maybe. But she still looks good.
Yeah, she does.
Dubstep in time. You ready for my dubstep dance? Just dancing.
Are you in it?
Yeah.
I think that I would dance if I had somebody I felt comfortable with dancing. Like, I don't feel comfortable dancing with anybody.
I love dancing.
Ugh. Just eating this apple during the world premiere of Britney Spears' song.
I like her dress. The way it is now.
Tie-dyed it.
Yeah, it was awesome. Oh, Megan.
Ugh. 115 pounds my ass.
Sean, you're jerk.
I'm sorry, that was really mean.
Okay, so I'm like 5 pounds heavier. Get over it.
Who cares? You're so skinny.
This has been an MTV
I'm not
World Fair
skinny.
video sponsored by Radiant.
I want to hear that you're not skinny. I don't want to hear it.
What?
Like, look at me and look at you.
Jersey Shore!
Jay Shore, gotta go.
Watch out. Stupid idea.